Oh my god, people are about to irritate me. I should have meditated before I did this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video for you guys. I know it's been a while, so I wanted to do something that will kind of make up for the past couple of weeks that I haven't been uploading. So I hope this makes up for it. I wanted to do a fun video. So this is going to be the assume stuff about me video. I think this video is like so silly because obviously I'm gonna be like, no, that's not me, if you guys are like way out of line and stuff. So you never know. You never know. Your assumptions may be true and I just may be lying. But I'm really not gonna be lying. I'm really gonna tell you what it is. But I just find that this video is so silly just because I really don't care about assumptions. But I just wanted to do something fun. I don't want to do the normal boring Q&A thing. I feel like I kind of done that a lot, especially if you follow me on Instagram. I do like random Q&As here and there. So I wanted to do something fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you guys want to see what you guys or other people assume about me, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into this video. Okay, so I asked you guys on Instagram, so that is where I'm going to be looking. And okay, so somebody assumed that I am mixed. I honestly would consider myself mixed just because I am Dominican. Like my background, my family is from the Dominican Republic, but I was born here. So I would say like Dominicans are definitely mixed. So if you ask me, I'd say yes. But technically, like if you're talking about my mom being a different race and my dad, it's no. Somebody assumed that my favorite color is green. I feel like you guys are taking it easy on me, which is nice. But no, my favorite color isn't green. I do like green, but it's like my fourth favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Somebody assumed that I am stuck up, and I honestly knew that that was coming. Before I even did any social media thing, everybody always thought I was stuck up, even in school. And honestly, I'm just really quiet and shy, and I don't know how to socialize. Like that is the honest to God truth. I literally like think in my head of like, dang, what should I say to that? Instead of just speaking and being myself, because I'm so like, I feel like I'm like not a good social person. So then I put that insecurity within myself and I just don't really talk. But other times I'm just feeling myself. So I really just, I'm just acting myself. But for the most part, a lot of people will think that I am stuck up. So that is a really very common assumption of me. Like if anybody assumes anything about me, I always feel like, yeah, that's the first thing. They think I'm stuck up. But no, I'm just really like quiet and in my own little bubble. But no, I'm not stuck up at all. You realize, oh, you're actually like really cool. I thought you were stuck up. And that is the infamous line that I always got from so many people, and I'm just like, story of my life. I assume you like attention from your boyfriend, kind of clingy. And yes, that is so true. Actually, how the hell did you know that? Yeah, I am kind of clingy. I'm not even gonna lie. Somebody said, I assume you're not a shy person. I am though. I am a lot less shy than I used to be, but I am really a shy person, especially because, as I mentioned before, I get social anxiety, and I am not good with, well, I feel like I'm not great with socializing, so sometimes that gets into my head. I'm trying like to not tell myself these things, so it's really hard to try to communicate it to you guys without verbalizing exactly what I'm trying to say, if you catch my drift. But yeah, so I am a shy person. If, as I said, if I'm just in that mood where I'm not shy, like I do have my moments where I would go to an event and I just don't feel shy at all. I just want to talk to people. I get into those moments, but for the most part, I'm very quiet when I meet people. I've gotten better, but I am very like quiet and like shy. So yeah. Somebody assumed that I probably only date athletes. That is really random and funny, and I have no idea where that ever came from. I'm actually not even dating. I haven't been dating for the past 5-6 years. I've had the same boyfriend, and he's athletic, but he's not like an athlete or professional athlete, whatever. So that is just not true. Someone said, I assume you're so sweet, and thank you. That's really nice. I am a sweet person, I'd like to say. Yeah. A lot of people always tell me I'm sweet, so I guess it's weird for me to say that I'm sweet, because I don't know, I just find that weird. I'm just myself, so I don't know if that's considered to be sweet, then I'm sweet. But yes, I do get that a lot. A lot of people say that I'm sweet, so I guess your assumption is correct. Someone said, I assume water is wet, and I honestly, I don't think so. So I don't know. Someone said, you seem like a down-to-earth person. I am, if you believe in horoscopes, which I do and I don't. Mixed feelings. But I'm a Virgo, so Virgos are an earth sign, and yeah, I'm very, very earthy. Oh my gosh, I get so lame sometimes. But yeah, I am a very down-to-earth person. I'm really like just laid back. I'm just chill. Like, I'm usually just going with the flow kind of person. So yeah, true. Okay, so someone assumed that even after I message you, you won't reply nor even acknowledge me. LOL. So I feel like people do this because they know that you're going to, or it like pressures you to actually acknowledge them. But just because, I will acknowledge Born a King 87. Shout outs to you. Someone said you love art. Oh, hi Supreme Artistry Brand. I worked with you guys before, but yes, I love art. I love all kinds of art forms. When I was actually like pressured into just going to college for just whatever, I just felt so distraught because I could not see a future without art in it. I was just like, can't I just be some kind of artist and make a living off of it? So I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do that now, and doing fashion and modeling and stuff, because those things used to be really, really far-fetched. But anyway, the answer is yes, I do love art. I get so carried away. I drink way too much coffee, and then again, not enough. But yeah, I love art. Someone said you don't like comments because there's too many. That's not true. I really do enjoy feedback of any sort, but there is too many where sometimes I just can't see them. But I wouldn't say that it's that I don't like them. It's just like I just can't keep up with them. But I really do enjoy you guys' feedback. What I don't enjoy is like the creeps on Instagram, but you know, that's most of the time why I do stay away from my comments, because I'm this much sensitive. So yeah, I have to sometimes just stay away from my comments. But I do try to reply to you guys, the ones who comment first and stuff. But I really love your comments, so keep them coming. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to do like one or maybe two more. But for this one is, someone assumed that I'm making money by any means. Yes and no. I have my standards and my morals, and so I wouldn't say by any means, but yes, I am making money by any means at the same time, if you guys understand what I'm saying. My mom was a single mom. My family struggled my whole life, so financially. So yeah, I have to, yes, this is something that I love to do. I'm very fortunate to be able to do something that I love to do and make a living off of that and help my family out. So yeah, that is a true and false assumption at the same time, depending on what exactly you mean. I'm gonna end it with this one, which is so funny. But someone assumes that I'm great at bachata. I'd like to say I am. I'm Dominican. My grandma taught me how to dance bachata since I was like 4 or something. I used to stand on her feet and she taught me how to dance like that. So yeah, I'm really pretty good at bachata. I have to be. It's like, it'd be a shame if I wasn't, to be honest. So yeah, so that was my assumptions. Oh, somebody said I just got this one, that I have a thick Spanish accent. I don't think I have a Spanish accent. Usually when I meet a lot of people, they just say I have a Brooklyn accent. I don't have a thick Spanish accent because Spanish wasn't my first language. I kind of learned English and Spanish kind of like at the same time, but English is my primary language. I was born here and my mom speaks English, so yeah. All right, but that is it for my assumptions tag. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really did enjoy hearing what you guys thought. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, to be honest. I knew I was gonna get a bunch of the stuck up ones, which I did, but I was curious to see what else you guys had in store and what else you guys thought. So that was really fun for me. If you guys want a part 2, I'd be down to do that, so let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys want more tags, then also let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!